Okay, Marcus, read the book.
Marcus book. This
book
belongs
to Marcus.
Marcus. Sam said, I see. Sam says, I.
Start over.
I.
Sam
said.
Said.
C. D. E. E.
The
cat. Sam said, I see D.
Good job.
D says, I see the rat. Mouse.
The mouse
The mouse said, I see D. E. Sam said, I see
the
dog. Sam said,
I see
the dog.
See
the dog. See the cat. See the mean cat.
mad
cat.
Yeah, good job. Oh, there's another page you skipped.
Nope, that's all.
See
the happy mouse.
All right, good job. What else do you want to say?
Thank you, Grandma.
And who else do you want to give shout out to? Anybody else you want to thank?
Oma.
Oh, yeah? You got any grandpas you want to say thank you to? For giving them all their smart genes to you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And great-grandpa.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure he would be very proud of your book reading skills. And what grade are you
But
in?
he's dead.
Yeah. But we still miss him, right?
Maybe he got shot by
No.
or ran over.
No. He was very happy when he passed on. A lot of people loved him.
I do.
You do too?
I'm in first grade.
Okay. But what, you're going to be where? In second grade?
Mm-hmm.
Very soon, right? All day second grade.
2.
Okay.
I have to be in 2 grade. After 1, it's 2.
Second. First and then second grade.
That's 3.
Then you'll be third grade.
Then 4th, then
5th.
5th, then 6th, then 7th, then 8th, then 9th, then 10th. Then I'll be in high school.
You'll be in high school at 9th grade.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4.
4 plus...
5 is 9.
Yes, it is. And what's 1 plus 1?
2.
2 plus 2?
4.
4 plus 4?
8.
3 plus 3?
6.
2 plus 3?
That's hard.
No, it's not. 2 plus 3 is how much?
5.
It's 5, yeah. Okay.
Don't do a hard one.
Don't do a hard one. How about 5 plus 5?
10.
See how super smart you are? That's because you're at Kingston. Right? Kingstons are smart.
I'm Batman.
Alright. Guess that's it.